Hi everyone, today we learn how to print half pyramid, then we go to full pyramid, diamond pyramid and other different type of printing in Excel, which is very frequent question in any organization. Let's start Excel using VBA. Also in Python also, but first of all we take C in VBA. So we go to VBA editor and insert module. We create this type of pyramid like this. Okay, so first we defined procedure name sub. Let's take half pyramid. Then defined variable. I defined Rn for row num as an integer, dim Cn as an integer. We also take long and byte because this is take a small number, and we use inner for loop, nested for loop. I for Rn equal 1 to let's take 5 and inner for loop for Cn take 1 to Rn and cells Rn Cn dot value equal to taking star. We take anything, a special character and also a character, and next Cn and next for outer loop Rn and for loop, inner loop and outer loop, take two loop. And let's check one by one syntax pressing F8 key. Rn take first one value. If you hover this variable, then you see 1, and then here is 0. After pressing F8 key by toggling, this is C1 and R1 1 means first row first column, and we printing a star. Then go to next because Rn is also 1, then out inner loop and go to checking next condition for our for loop, and here Rn equal to 2, Cn also taking 1 to 2. Okay, here toggling Cn1 Rn 2, then row number 2 or and column number 1 printing a star. This is important. Then by toggling for loop, inner for loop once again, then Cn2 and Rn already in 2, then printing a star in second row second column. Then this condition is now next 3 here 2, only go to inner loop 1 to 2, then exit inner loop and then go to outer loop. Here Rn taking 3 and Cn now goes to 1 to 3, means 3 times printing a star. Let's see, like this we run all program. We taking 5 outer loop, so 5 times printing. If you take 10, then 10 times printing. First we clear all cells, so command is cells.clear. All code you see. Let's run 10 times. Also clear from here and run pressing F5 or this tall green button. Okay, this is half pyramid. Now meet you in next video for next pyramid. Thank you.